Hello students, welcome back. Today I am going to teach you about HTML forms, how to create HTML form. First I would like to tell about the HTML form. What is form? So HTML form, or you can say web form, it helps us to, or it helps any user to collect the user input. HTML forms can have different fields like text area, text box, radio button, checkbox, drop down list, file uploads, and many more. Okay, so you might have filled the form online also. So whenever you fill the form online, whatever data you enter to the form only. Okay, so till now you have worked on HTML only, form only. Now you are going to create the form. How to create the form I will explain you today. So this class is exclusively for creating HTML form. So I have just opened Notepad and essential things. I have given HTML command also. I have taken head and I have written here form example, and then body vehicle I have taken cyan. Now I am going to write the form. So first, to write the form or to create the form in HTML, you have to start form element or form tag. So to create an HTML form, we will use the HTML form tag element. It starts with the form and it ends also with the form. So it is the container tag, and this coding will be inside the body tag. So I am writing here form. You will write start form, and then you have to close the form tag. Okay. Now inside the form has itself many elements. You might have inserted the name, username, then password, then you have selected your date of birth, then gender, then qualification, many more things are there. So first thing is input element. Input element is of many types. Suppose if you want to enter your name or enter the password or enter gender, etc., these all things comes under input element. So for input element, you have to use text field. There are many things. For enter your name, you have to use text field. Text field means to create from form text field or to create any field and to receive the input from the user. We use HTML input element. We can use various input elements to take different information from the user. Using different types of attributes, we can display an input element in various ways. So first, I am going to tell you about text input. Okay. Through text input, you can enter the name, or you can enter contact number. Whatever record you want to enter in single line, for that you have to write input element. So just I am writing here, suppose I am given here enter your name, and then I am giving here BR tag, so that tag will come in new line. I am writing here input type equal to text. First to save it, just I am saving it here. Save it. I have saved it by, suppose I am saving it by form, form, form dot html. Form dot html. All the files will be saved with .html only. So just save it, and I am saving it again on desktop, so you can easily access. Save it. Minimize this one. You can see now. This is very files are opened. Here you can see form. Click here. You can see the form. So whatever coding you have done for input text, this is enter your name. This is name tag. Now if you want to enter password, if you don't give BR tag here, don't give BR tag here, and make it in one line. Now put BR. Again save it and see the output. Refresh it, you can see the output. Enter your name. Now if you want to enter password, for entering password, you will write here enter password, and write here input type equal to password. Again I am going to check how it is looking like. Just save it. Again save it here. After every coding, after every changes, you have to save it, and then come in Google Chrome and just refresh it. Now you can see enter password. Okay. Now if you want to enter your gender, for entering gender there are 2 options or 3 options: male, female, and others also you can put. So for that we will use radio button, or radio simply you can say. So radio is the option, it provides many options, but user can select only one option. Okay, so for that we will write here, suppose I am taking here gender, and type here input type equal to radio. Close this one, and again here you write male, input type equal to, again write radio, if you want to add more radio, and write here female. Okay, then write BR tag, so that answer will come in new line. So again save it, just I am saving it here, and then come to MySQL, come to Google Chrome, and again refresh. See, male and female. If you enter a name, suppose I am entering my name here, Mukesh, I am entering some password here, password will not be visible, and then select male. But you can see here, if I click on male, male is selected. If I click on female, female is also selected. But out of these 2 options, only one should be selected. For that, what we'll do, come in coding and write the name of this input tag. Name equal to, suppose I am giving here gender. Any name you can give, and same name you have to provide in second radio also. Name must be same. So just I am copying it here and put it here, same name. Okay, if you have given same name, then you will see the magic. Just save it and now refresh again. Now I can select only one, either male or female. Okay, in this way you can select only one option from the radio. This is radio button. Okay, now I am going to enter your qualification. If you want to enter qualification, for that qualification, suppose somebody had done graduation, so he might have done 10th also, might have done 12th also. So check, for that we use checkbox. Okay, so checkbox also provides multiple options, but in checkbox user can select many options. Okay, radio is used to select only one option, but checkbox can be used for many options. So I have written here qualification, then I am writing here input type equal to checkbox. I am writing here 10th, and same thing I am copying here, and I will change the text only. I have made here 12th, and then one more, suppose I am writing here graduation, and then I am writing BR tag, so that next thing will come in new line. Okay, again save it and see the output. Just save it and see the output. After every elements adding, after adding of every elements, I am just running the form and showing in the Google so that you may understand easily. So now I have made checkbox, and see here you can select 10th also, you can select 12th also, you can select graduation also. Okay, so checkbox is used for selection of multiple options. Okay, so this is the main difference between radio button and checkbox. Radio button is used for only one option, and checkbox is used for selecting many options. Okay, now if you want to add date of birth, for adding date of birth we use select tag. Just I am showing you here, date of birth. Okay, for date of birth, first you have to use select start and select close. Okay, you might have seen in MS Word also, like if you are increasing a font size, or if you are changing the font style, so one drop down menu is opening. The same drop down menu will make here, and that drop down menu is done by select command or select tag. Inside the select tag, first you have to give the options. So for that we will write option start and option close. In that option we will write, suppose I am writing here days. I am just showing only this one right now. Just wait, save it and just refresh it. You can see a days has come. Okay. If you want to add multiple days like 1 to 31, so for that you give many options. So option days and just copy it here and then just paste it here, paste. So I am giving 5 only this time. So first days you can write 01, next day you can write 02, next day you can write 03, next day you can write 04. In this way you can write up to 31 days, all the days of the month. You will select any from 1 to 31. Again save it and see the output. Just refresh it and now see days has come. If you add all the days 1 to 31, it will display all 1 to 31 and you can select any one from that. Whatever you will select, that will come on the front. See. Okay. Now for month again you have to make one more drop down menu, and for that I am just copying it here. Just copying and here I am pasting here. Paste. Here write months. And if you want to give month number or you want to give month name, you can write Jan, you can write Feb, make it capital so it should look like professional, March, then write April. In this way you can put all the month names. Okay. It's up to you, write full name or you write short name, it's up to you, as per your convenience or as per your requirement you can write. So all the 12 names will come in all these options. Now again I am saving it and I am showing you the option. Save and see the output here. See. So this is days and this is months. Okay, you can select any month, whatever you select it will be displayed. Okay. Now for years, again you have to copy this one and make it for years. Or copy this one. I am writing here years. So I am writing here 2001, 2002, 2003, 2002. In this way you can add many years also. Just again save it. Again run this program and see the output. See. So days, months and years. Whatever, how many years you want to give, you can give here. Months you have to give all 12 months. I have shown here 5-6 months once only, and days also you can put from 1 to 31. Okay, and then write BR tag. So next element will come in new line. Now I want to enter the address. For address, text field is not sufficient. Already I had explained you that text field is used to enter single line data only. But in address you have to enter multiple line data also. So for entering multi-line text or multiple line data, we have to use text area. So write here enter address and then write here text area and close the text area. Okay, save it again, save and see the output. See, text areas come here. You can enter multiple lines. See. Okay. So this is text area. So the main difference between text field and text area is, in text field you can enter only single lines. However, if you press enter also it will not be entered. See. So only single line can be entered in text field, but multi-line can be entered in text area. Okay. Now one more thing I want to add here, buttons. If you want to submit the button, for submitting button there are 3 types of buttons. One is submit button, one is reset button and one is cancel button. Okay. So for creating button, again you write here BR for new line and then input type equal to submit, close this one, this is for submit button. Then input type equal to reset, this is for reset button. And for cancel you will write input type equal to, simply write button, this is normal button. In other buttons other than submit and reset you have to provide the text also. Text can be done in this way, value equal to, suppose you want to write here cancel, cancel. Okay, so whatever given in value that will be displayed on the button, but here in reset and submit there is no need to give the value. Okay, now again save it, just I am saving it here, save and just run it here and see the output. See, so submit is there, reset is there, cancel is there. Okay, so this one is the form, just I am filling one form, I am writing here Mukesh sir and I am giving here password I will not tell you, then mail, then suppose I have given registration, I have done 10th also, I have done 12th also, date of birth, I have not filled all the data, still I am just taking some years, it is not my date of birth real, I am writing here South Block Fraser Road, Delhi 09. Okay, 08. Then you can submit or reset. If you click on reset, all will be cleaned. Submit, just submitted. Okay, so this is the coding of the form. In this way you can create the form. Okay, so this one is the coding of form. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot also. Just I am scrolling here very slowly. Okay, you can take a screenshot, you can do practice in your computer, so you will learn how to create the forms. Okay, so in HTML we have seen how to, in previous videos also we have seen how to create, how to see normal pages I have shown you, then I have shown you how to create tables, then I have shown you how to create list, and this is for form. I will take one more class on HTML, in that we will see how to insert image in background, how to create the link between the two pages, or how to give the link on the images, how to scroll the image, that we will see in next class, next video. If I will continue in this video it will be very longer, so I am just stopping it here. Till then, bye and take care and wait for my next video. Thank you.